Hello everyone, this is Revati for Kat Scrappiness. I'm here to take you through some of our latest holiday sparkle. I have some really bright and shiny embellishments and sequin mixes for you guys, perfect for your holiday projects and also for many more projects throughout the year. Let me introduce to you our new collection of the glitter sequin mixes. Here I have a container with 7 bags of glitter sequin mixes. These are in the shades of beautiful green, a very light aqua blue. For all you coffee lovers out there, I have espresso and coffee, shiny silver and red, and a pack of Christmas glitter sequin mix. Along with all these glitter sequins, I also have our latest Mr. Grinch sprinkle mix made of clay polymer. Taking a closer look at these glitter mixes, you will see that we have a flat, smooth surface on one side and beautiful textured glittery surface on the other. Each of the packs contain around 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of sequins, which are enough for so many of your projects, be it cards, decorating Christmas ornaments, or even tags. Here I have some card examples where I have used these glitter sequin mixes in my shaker pockets. When paired with all the other sprinkles and sequences, the Christmas glitter sequin mix definitely adds an extra sparkle to my shaker cards. I also have used them to embellish my card fronts. I added the glitter sequins in the shade silver on my snowflake. Well, all of these embellishments and other products that I use to create my cards here can be found on the Kat Scrappiness website. For more information on all these products and to purchase them, you can visit the link in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe.